Welcome to day 4 of our phonics and word study work. We're continuing with our focus on prefixes of re, pre, dis, and miss. So pay close attention to those when we're reading today. All right, we're going to be working in your My Word Study book on page 16. The article is called Dreams of Peace. I like that title, Dreams of Peace. All right, and like always, we're going to go ahead and read the questions before we read the article. We want to make sure we know what our purpose for reading is today. Okay, it looks like we're going to start by circling 5 words with the prefix re, pre, dis, and miss. And then, did anything in the story confuse you? Talk about it with someone and use details from the text to help figure it out. All right, so this might be a fun story to read along with someone and have a conversation about what you're reading. All right, if you'd like to stay here and read it with me, I am going to read it and share some of my thoughts. And I'll also help you find some of the words with the prefixes. All right, I'm going to switch into our book here, the article Dreams of Peace. All right, so the first thing we're going to try to find the prefixes that we've been working with. And I see this word here in the middle, disloyal, means the opposite of loyal. Okay, so they must not be very trustworthy. And then let's see if we can find another one. Oh, here's disobey. So obey means to follow the rules, and dis is the opposite. So someone that's not following the rules. Oh, here's preview. Okay, so that means to view something ahead of time or before. Here's replayed. So they're going to play it again. All right, let's see if we can find one more before we start our work today. And maybe you've already found one. All right, go ahead and circle that last one that you found. And then I'm going to start reading, and hopefully you'll be able to have a conversation. I know we've been starting to talk about the Revolutionary War through chains and through some of the other readings. So let's see how the connection to the Revolutionary War happens here. Dreams of peace. Time to feed the chickens, Mrs. Carl said. But go only in the hen house, no wandering. Abel knew better than to disobey. There was a rumor that skirmishes were breaking out close to their farm. They had already witnessed one frightening preview of what might come. Abel replayed the scene in his mind. Redcoats had marched through and stolen their only horse. Is this war a mistake? He sometimes wondered, feeling a little disloyal to the colonies. The chickens clucked as Abel scattered the grain, but suddenly all grew quiet with an eerie stillness. Then came the thunderous explosion of cannon fire, certain that it came from the meadow beyond their woods. Abel tossed the grain into the henhouse and quickly returned to the cabin. While the battle raged, the family huddled together in the dark, not daring to light a candle. Abel slept little, but when he did, he dreamed of peace. All right. So go ahead and read this again to yourself and try to find someone to talk to about it. What parts were confusing for you? Okay. And try to remind yourself British and the colonists. I remember redcoats are the British and the colonists are the rebels. So we have two sides of the Revolutionary War. All right. Nice job. Good work today. And we'll see you again tomorrow.